Hey guys, we're gonna pick up where we left off in the setting up Adempiere to send an email through Eclipse video. So here we are in Eclipse, and we've got to set up a way for Adempiere to be opened through Eclipse. So you're gonna go to Run Configurations, and you're gonna create a new Java application and call it Adempiere. So here's ours that we've already created. So the name is Adempiere, the project Adempiere_360, and then the main class is org.compiere.adempiere. So then you're going to go to your arguments, and your arguments have got to be, they could differ, but here's what ours is. It's where your properties and your Adempiere home are located. It's where your Adempiere LTS folder is. So it could be different for yours. This is what worked for us, and so just make sure that you figure out where exactly your property file is in your SVN folder and your Adempiere_360 LTS folder is in your SVN folder. And then you're going to want to go to the JRE and make sure that it's still JRE 6. And since all that's looks good, we're going to go and you would click apply. Since we've already done it, we didn't make any changes. We're just going to click run. So after you click apply, click run. And Adempiere is starting to open. Okay, and then sign in with Garden Admin. Now remember to use the password of your email as the password for Garden Admin right here. Check. Then hopefully it'll come up here in a second. And here you go. You have successfully created a way to open Adempiere through Eclipse. So that's great. Now the next part, to go ahead and exit out of this. The next step to sending this email that we have to do, we're going to have to copy some code into the new model that you generated. For us, it's mmom_mom. So you would find that under the org.compiere.model folder. So just scroll through there and find the new model that you've generated, and here's ours already up. Now we've got this code that we've gotten from the cookbook, which is the manual that we're going through to do all these videos with, and we're gonna copy and paste this into the new model. Now we'll leave this code down below in the subscribe box or the comments. And so just highlight all that and then paste this new code in here. Now the important thing is to just keep all of your naming conventions just the same. So whatever your new model is called, make sure that that matches what your tables are called. And make sure that you go through and wherever we've changed it to C_mom_mom, just whatever your naming convention is, make sure that you change it and keep it thorough throughout this whole code. So we're going to save this. And we're going to go down and to the dev_utils folder. Well, the utils_dev folder, excuse me. And we're going to build, since we've made this new code and these new changes to the code, so we're going to build. So you're going to go to run as, and you go to ant build 1. Here it goes. For time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while this builds. Okay, so you can see that the build was successful and it took about 3.5 minutes. So now we're going to go to run configurations, and go into your Adempiere Java application and click run. And again, we're logging in with Garden Admin. Just make sure that the password is the password you use for your email. So we're going to go to menu, and we're going to go into your minutes of meeting tab that you've got linked up to Eclipse, and we're going to create a new record, and we're going to enter in the information. So we'll call this email. Then we'll make the chairperson Garden Admin. Then we'll just write something in the agenda. And then we'll save that. Then we'll go up here and add some participants. And we'll just say that our company is AE. Garden Admin is one of the participants. We'll save that. We'll have the same company, make a new one, and we'll make this participant Emily. We'll save that. So now that we have that information in there, we're going to go ahead and exit out. And now we've been having problems getting our code to connect. We think that it's something wrong with where we have created a previous model, and that in Eclipse or in Adempiere that the names are getting somehow crossed. So ours, as you can see, didn't actually execute correctly. If this is the first time that you've gone through and done this, it should work. But when it does work, you're supposed to have down here in this console, you'll see it going through and saying that it sent the email to user 1, it sent it to user 2, and then of course the user will receive the email. But we've been working on this for a couple weeks and we really can't find a solution to our problem. We were hoping that it would work for this video, that when we did it all over again, but it seems like the names are still getting crossed. But if you have any comments or suggestions of where our problem lies, please contact us. This code should still be good to use. Just make sure that you use it with your naming conventions, and just the advice that we give you is to try to make it correct the first time, because it just gets more complicated the more times you do it. And but that's how going through this process is how you would get it to work. And of course it builds successfully, and so that part of Eclipse is working correctly. But we think that it's, again, something with just doing it so many times and we having the same sort of name, and that it's kind of getting confused as to which table to actually use. But thanks for watching our videos, and we hope that they were of some help. And please, like I said, if you have any suggestions on how this could work, please just let us know. And thanks for watching.